well, good morning, guys. We're rolling out now. I don't know why Trucker Path didn't give me the option, but oh, look at that. Is that a? I think that's a Bel Air, isn't it? No, but those are some sweet looking cars. But Garmin's saying it's 416 miles, and Trucker Path saying it's 441. So I don't know. I've always really trusted Trucker Path over Garmin, but Trucker Path didn't give me the option, so I just don't know. Alright, we're going. Tired of waiting. Dang, someone took that out. Who is the yield sign here? Nobody? That's weird. Normally one of us, oh, I guess there's 3 lanes. But it does go down to 1, so that's... Also, the truck feels like super slow today. We're getting ready here to drive through Charleston. I don't know what state I'm in, honestly. I think Charleston, West Virginia. Maybe Charleston, Virginia. I don't know. It's one of those. Either West Virginia or Virginia. But yeah, it's a pretty cool little city, I guess. Ooh, 50 miles an hour. Well, I was gonna downshift, but we're probably gonna lose a lot of speed, so be alright. This is a cool little city. I don't know. I would never move this far out east. Just cause, like, I don't know. I really like the Midwest. Like, it seems like the Midwest, like, everything's closer together, but like the further you come out east, like, towns are like very, like, I don't know. Which doesn't make any sense, but like, I don't know. It just seems like it's just further to get to other places. So we need to take 64 east towards Beckley, so we're in the right lane. Well, we are in the right lane. You know, in the right lane, but we're also in the right lane. Oh, that's weird. Yeah, this is a pretty cool city. I think it's the state capital of whichever state I'm in, Charleston. Oh yeah, it has to be. There's the Virginia lot. We're in West Virginia. The West Virginia Lottery building's right there. So there we go. That answers our question. Women and Children's Hospital. That is kind of a weird looking hospital, but kind of cool at the same time. Well, if anybody's ever won the Mega Millions or the Powerball in West Virginia, that's where they went to claim it, so. As well as, you know, just like scratchers or whatever. You know, over a certain point. Some states it's like over $100 you gotta go to the lottery office. Some of them it's more, I don't know. And then we got the West Virginia Diamondbacks practicing football out here. Just kidding. They're playing flag football though, that's kind of cool. Oh, they got a gold, yeah, this is the Capitol up here. The gold dome. Reminds me of Iowa's Capitol. Iowa has like one of the most beautiful capitals though, I'll tell you that now. Looks like a little cool area. Capitol Market. Looks like an old train depot. It's been remodeled, I guess, not remodern. Why'd I even say that? I just hate seeing graffiti, dude. Graffiti is ugly. If you think graffiti looks cool, then you're lame. And this is like what I'm talking about, four-wheelers not knowing how to merge. Like, they totally could have just got on the gas and go, but instead they're like sitting there doing like 10 miles an hour. It's ridiculous. I'm trying to show you guys the Capitol though, because I think this is gonna be the first Capitol that we've ever shown on video camera on this channel, so it'd be pretty cool to see. That is actually a pretty cool Capitol, but I don't know, something about Iowa's Capitol just stays in my heart, okay? What is this? University of Charleston Stadium. That is a pretty cool state capitol though. Right lane must use exit, which means we need to get over one left. and now we're over. I wonder what year that state capitol was built. That's pretty cool. I can't remember. I'm pretty sure. I have no idea where I was, but I know on one of the vacations I went on, like in high school with my parents, we went to a state capitol, and I have no idea what state that was, dude. That was so long ago. Oh, I think it was Louisiana or Tennessee. I'm not sure. It was one of those, I think. Fairly certain. Anyways, we still got 360 miles, which is 6 hours of driving to knock out. And I want to stop and get something to eat, which I probably should just do that, because like if I stop for 10 minutes, it's only 10 minutes later, you know, like who cares? It's already late by 3 hours. But I just wasn't too sure with the wind gusts. I didn't want to like flip the truck over with the wind, because I saw, like, I was looking and it was like 60-mile-an-hour gust, and I know that's enough to blow over a semi. And you know, I'm pretty sure, like, if you're driving and you didn't make the call to shut down and the truck gets blown over, they'll probably mark it on your driving record as a preventable accident because you had the choice to shut down. So I just didn't want to run the risk with, like, it being so close, that I didn't want to have that on my driving record, you know. So yeah, so I made the call to shut down, and even the next day after the storm passed through, it was over in this area, and it was still saying, like, National Weather Service advises high-profile vehicles may be blown over, and I was just like, okay. So we're gonna take this exit here and pull into this Love's. I think I've been here before, honestly, but I think the last time I came here, I came from the other direction. I don't know what's going on. What's wrong?
Well, if you're going southbound, you can't get up above because someone broke down the exit. Wait, get off and get back up, but you can't go to Love's.
Oh, freak, dude.
Take the ramp ahead.
This truck broke down right here. Oh, you're gonna go now? I was gonna stop here at this Love's, but I don't think that's possible. So, looks like we gotta keep on going then. I was hoping to grab a bite to eat here, but I just don't think that's the case. I think I can make this turn. No, because he swung out way too wide. Yeah, can't make it. Oh, that sucks. Alright, well, we're keeping on, I guess. We're not stopping at Love's. I was going to get me some lunch because, you know, it's 228 miles out, and I read reviews of this place last night, and they're like, be prepared to sit for 5-6 hours. So I was like, well, I guess if I am gonna sit that long and I'm late, so they're probably gonna make me even wait longer. It's like I better get something to eat, but I guess we gotta keep on keeping on. We're gonna try this again now. We got a Love's here. We're gonna try to pull in and get some food because I'm getting kind of hungry. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm getting a little bit of hangry. So I'll probably just park in the fuel island because I know this Love's is normally pretty packed. Let's just pull into the fuel island. There's a cemetery right next to this Love's? Oh, hell no, bro. I've stayed at this Love's before. That is creepy as hell. Oh, Lord have mercy. Glad this is a brand new truck, dude. If I had like an older truck, this is like a entrance that I would be afraid my drive shaft's gonna break. You're a jackwagon, dude. I have the right of way. spot there. We're not really ready for that. It's a strange back. And I really don't plan on being here for too long, so just take this one right here. Pull up, park, take a quick tinkle. I just said tinkle. I'm a full grown man and I just called it a tinkle. Yeah, just pull up to the line here. Run inside, grab some food. Yeah, all that fun stuff, you know. Alright guys, so we made it to the receiver back there. And they told me that I couldn't get unloaded till tomorrow at noon, so we gotta go up to the Iowa 80 truck stop that we stopped at last time. And once we get up there, we're gonna shut down, and then they said they have receiving hours from noon to 6. So I gotta go back tomorrow at noon. We got 40 miles until we reach this branch of Iowa 80. I've been here before. It's a really nice truck stop, so I figured that's where I'll drive. And then I asked, when I told the dispatcher that you know, I was like, hey, like, I'm not gonna, you know, I'll have to come back tomorrow and get unloaded. And I was like, can you talk to the planner about getting me a load? And she's like, oh, we have no loads leaving North Carolina right now. So I'm like, well, if it reaches Saturday before I get another load, I guess we'll just have to figure out where I can drop the truck off here in North Carolina. So I guess we got to figure that out. So, well, let's hope we don't have to figure that out, but if we do, we will have to figure it out. So we got 40 miles to go, and we'll see you guys then. It's the next day. We just got unloaded, and we're leaving now. We spent a long time here. We got here at like 12:45. I don't even think I picked up the camera yet today. We got here at like 12:45, got unloaded, and it's now 4:45. So we spent like 2 hours waiting for them to unload us. We got pretty much like our last load with CFI 2 today. We got to pick up tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. in North Carolina, and it's going to Texas, and then I guess we'll either turn in the truck in Seagoville or Joplin. I said Joplin as preferred because the way I have it set it up right now, it is very tight. Like, I get my stuff out of the truck on the 8th, and then the 9th, so then I'll drive up. If I stop in Joplin, I'll drive, I don't even know, dude. Hopefully GP can just rent the same rental car that I have. CFI is getting me to Kansas City, because I'll have to move everything out of that car into the other car, and then I'll have to drive on Sunday from Kansas City to Chicago, and then Monday would be orientation in Chicago, and then Wednesday I'll be back out on the road. So like, it's very tight. Like, we are going to be moving, but I hope we can get it just like everything just goes to a T, goes to plan. And yeah, that's what I'm hoping for. So I don't know how much was recorded for yesterday's video, but I knew today was gonna be kind of a short day, so I'm just gonna kind of throw it on with the video from yesterday, because I had a feeling that video from yesterday was kind of a shorter one. So that's why we're here where we're at. So it looks like I gotta check out here though and give them that paper or whatever they want. So we made it back to this Petro here, and we're gonna get stopped for the afternoon right here in this pull through right here, making it nice and easy on me. We're gonna clear it. Yeah, we should. Oh yeah, we're good. We're golden. That was like a perfect setup. I haven't ate anything today. Been up since like 12:15. It's 5:30. I'm hungry. Make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe, as very exciting things are happening very, very soon, and I'm excited for it. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Come on, everything is a-okay when you're riding with Jay. Keep those wheels turning, and we do this every day. Backing up a trailer, look at all the roads I've driven. Come and ride with me, yeah, let me show you how I'm living. Come on.